Yep, it's not clickbait, it's absolutely true. So here's the deal, ladies and gentlemen. Grok recently upgraded its image and video generation models called Imagine, and the quality of both images and videos are very, very good. Now, the images and videos you're looking at right now have been generated using Grok's imaging model, and as you can see, the results are awesome. With this new updated video generation model, you can even generate videos with sound, and trust me, they're too good. You can also make your character talk just like VO3. Here's an example.
I am the king in the north, and no one can stop me now.
That was awesome, right? And here's the best part. Right now, it's completely free to use with unlimited video generations. Yes, no limits. And today, I'll show you exactly how you can use Grok to create amazing images and videos. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. All right, now to get started, you just need to click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you'll see an interface like this. Now, to generate images and videos, click on the imaging option from here, and it'll take you to this interface. This is where all the magic happens. You can already see some generations made by other users, and they look awesome too. So let's generate some images first and see how good it really is. Let's give it a prompt in the prompt section. I'll go with my usual one, a beautiful woman looking at the camera. Next, from here, you can choose the aspect ratio. Let's go with this one. After that, just hit generate. And here's the output. Wow, this looks like a real professional photo shoot, the kind you'd see in a fashion magazine or on an influencer's Instagram. The lighting is perfect. That warm golden sunlight from behind gives her hair a beautiful glow and adds so much depth. The focus and bokeh are spot on, just like a DSLR shot. Her hair, makeup, and skin look completely natural. Even tiny details like light catching individual strands feel real. The composition is clean, the colors blend perfectly, and overall, it feels authentic. Grok absolutely nailed this. It looks like a real photo, not AI. Let's try one more. This time, let's go for a cinematic style image. I'll paste this prompt and hit generate. And here's the output. This is also really good. The ship is stunningly detailed. Weathered wood, full sails, ropes, the crew. It actually looks like a real historical vessel, not just a random pirate cliche. Those rough, foamy waves and the way the ship cuts through them, you can almost feel the motion. Now, I know this isn't quite on the same level as Midjourney or Sea Dream, but it's definitely not bad either. And personally, I think Grok performs better with realistic images than cinematic ones. Alright, now let's generate some videos with Grok and see how good they really are. Brace yourselves, guys, because the results will shock you. You can generate both text-to-video and image-to-video content here. First, let's try text-to-video. So, let's give it a prompt. I'll go with this one. Next, make sure you switch the model to video from here and then hit generate. And here's the output. Wow, her hands actually move on the keys like she's really playing. That's tough for AI, but Grok nailed it. The smile adds emotion, making it feel like a genuine performance. The matching piano music and focused lighting make the scene even more believable. The piano looks authentic and everything fits together naturally. This is what good text to video should be. Smooth movement, real emotion, and perfect audio sync. Grok absolutely delivered. Let's try one more. This time, I'll give it this prompt and hit generate, and here's the output.
I am not real. I was created using Grok, and Wealthwise is my daddy.
Wow, this is just awesome, folks. The lip sync here is incredible. Every word matches perfectly. That's VO3 level precision. Her expressions and eye movements feel real, giving warmth and personality. The voice fits her perfectly, natural, friendly, and believable. Add the clean lighting and subtle background blur, and it looks fully professional. Getting this level of lip sync and realism for free? That's wild. Grok nailed it again. And yes, this is uncensored, but for full uncensored access, you'll need to get a subscription. Now let's move on to image to video. Before you upload your image, you'll need to change one quick setting. Click on your profile icon, go to Settings, then Behavior, and scroll down to turn off the automatic video generation option. Otherwise, as soon as you upload an image, it'll start generating a video on its own, which we don't want right now. Once that's set, upload your image from here. Next, let's give it a prompt. I'll keep it very simple, and hit generate. And here's the output. This is nice. The motion here is the real highlight. The dragon's head turns, she shifts her gaze. Grok took a still image and made it feel alive. What stands out is how natural it looks. The movement is subtle and believable, with no weird warping or distortion. The details, her coat, hair, and the icy background, all stay perfectly intact while adding just the right amount of life. This is exactly what image to video should be, bringing motion to a cinematic frame without losing quality. Grok nailed it. Let's try one more. So I'll upload this image, give it this prompt, and hit generate, and here's the result.
I am the king in the north, and no one can stop me now.
Now, this is just outstanding. The emotion here is powerful. He's not just speaking, he's shouting with raw intensity and conviction. You can feel the rage and determination in his voice. The expressions, the fur coat, the scar, and that dark cinematic lighting all add to the epic warrior vibe. The lip sync is spot on too. Grok absolutely nailed that warrior king energy. Now, just imagine the kind of cinematic content you'll be able to create with this. You're only limited by your imagination. Before we wrap up, here are a few things to keep in mind. For image generation, some users have reported getting a usage warning, but for videos, there's no limit. I've personally been using this for over 10 days and have generated hundreds of images and videos without any restrictions. So go ahead and try it now before they start adding limits. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.